All right, beautiful morning out here this morning. We're gonna walk out here, take a bearing over to Koury for maintenance for a lighting issue. Anyways, let's see what we got on the ramp today. Nice older Citation Ultra or Bravo or something like that, or Encore. Nice Cirrus. Some kind of like a stationary on floats, I believe, or maybe it's a, I don't know what that is. It's got the door on the side, so I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a, I don't know. Anyways, very cool. Here's our bearing. Bare minimum, all I got to do is check the oil, because all we're going to do is taxi across the field. I'm going to take off the engine covers, that sort of thing. Somebody taking off this morning. Good, they just have the nose wheel chopped. I hate when they triple chop me out here. I know they kind of all their procedures, but ooh, they put me in a no parking zone. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna take off the, I'm gonna set the camera down because I'm gonna take off the cover, speedo cover, check the oil, and then we'll get in and taxi it over. All right, let's see if we can get this thing started. It's cold out here. We'll set you guys right there for now. Oops. Okay, that's good. Somewhere in there. Get the batteries on. Wait for our avionics to come up. Well, I gotta hurry up before we start fogging up too. All right, there it goes. I'm gonna prime it. Get the left one started. Make sure we don't over rev it. Especially since the oil is cold, everything's cold. Gotta keep our RPMs down. Get our heater on. I'm not fogging up. I don't know if you guys can see. The windshield's all foggy. I'm gonna put on my headset. it go. That's all we can see for now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna stop the tape. Nothing really interesting to see now. We'll see you on the other side.